How to fix the issue can't start live broadcast on Facebook. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the error that says that Facebook can't start the live broadcast and it's having trouble completing the request. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the Facebook application on your mobile device and it's updated to the latest version available. In order to confirm, you have to go ahead and open the Play Store, then click on the search button and then search for Facebook. Once you find it, click on it. And here, if you see an update button instead of open button, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. Now go back, and you can also try logging out of your Facebook account and then logging in back. Now go to settings of your mobile device, scroll all the way down and go to apps. Then search for Facebook application. Once you find it, click on it. Scroll down and go to storage. Then click on clear cache and also click on clear data. But remember that it includes files and settings that will be permanently deleted from this device. So you have to be very careful regarding this. Now you can try uninstalling the application and then reinstalling it from the Play Store. And after completing all these steps, simply restart your mobile device and again launch the entire system. So this was all about it. I hope these steps help you fix the problem. And if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. And if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.